loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a nail art tutorial using some goodies from Townley Girl New York. Last week, a lovely representative from the company reached out to me on Instagram after watching my Christmas nail art tutorial in which I used several Townley Girl New York products. Alright loves, the first item that was sent to me is obviously this humongous hot pink Townley Girl bag. This thing is so big, it doesn't even fit in the frame. But it's a nice heavy duty bag and the straps are pretty sturdy. And it also came with a matching Townley Girl pin with a huge diamond on it. Alright, now I'm going to show you the stuff that's inside. Alright loves, the first item is a 7-piece Emoji manicure set. As you can see, it comes with 6 vibrant nail polishes and a really cute emoji nail file. The next set is emoji inspired as well, and this one has 4 nail polishes. That one is really pretty. This one has 4 nail polishes and emoji face nail art wheel. Those are so cute. As well as a storage container and a cuticle pusher. And the last item is Nightmare Before Christmas. Yay! You love know I love this movie. This is my favorite Halloween and Christmas movie. And this is a body paint kit. It comes with 2 applicators, an eyeliner, body stickers, face paint, and these really cute lashes. For today's nail art tutorial, I will be doing a French manicure nail art design using this super pretty green as well as this really gorgeous orange nail polish from the 7-piece emoji manicure set. For this set, I used the Kiss New York Salon tips. I picked up a pack of 20 from the beauty supply store for $1. These tips come in a nice variety of sizes. I had no problem finding a size that perfectly fit each one of my fingers. The only con I have with these tips is that they are fairly thin, but that does mean that they are very easy to shape into your desired length as well as style. To apply the tips to my nails, I used the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue, and to shape the tips, I used a Kiss 100/180 grit nail file. Whenever I apply tips, I like to go over my nails with a nail hardener. And since these tips in particular were kind of thin, I especially wanted to apply a nail hardener. I picked up the Nail Aid Steel Instant Hardener from Walmart for $4, and loves, this product is amazing. I applied 2 coats and it instantly made the tips a lot sturdier. This is the nail art design that I will be creating today using 2 Townley Girl New York nail polishes. The first one being a beautiful metallic green and the other one being a really vibrant orange. I love this manicure. The only other time I've done French tips were these short white ones. I've never done tips this long and they were multicolored. I hope you loves enjoy the tutorial and let's get started. For the green polish, I applied 3 coats for maximum opacity, but since these nail polishes dried down so fast, it did not take that long at all. And when it came to the orange nail polish, I only applied 2 coats. After I finished applying the last coat of my nail polish, I went over it with a thin layer of the Hansen Insta-Dri top coat. I picked this up from Walmart for $6, and this dries your nails in seconds. For my nail art design, I will be using the Cousin D.I.Y AB crystals in SS10 and SS20. In my first Townley Girl nail art wheel, I will be using these big gold hearts and the small gold squares. And in my second Townley Girl nail art wheel, I'll be using these tiny gold teardrops. Moisturize my hands, I use the Boots Perfect Moments hand cream with rose and sweet blossom. This hand cream smells amazing and it's super moisturizing. To revitalize my cuticles, I used my Pure Ice Fixer Upper Cuticle Oil. Here's my completed set, loves. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this French manicure design. I think it's so pretty. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description. I would also like to thank Townley Girl New York again for sending me these products to test out. They are amazing. I will have their social media information down below in the description as well, so definitely go check them out. Also, I would love it if you could leave me a comment telling me what you thought of the tutorial. And until next time, bye loves!